Automobile tribulations can disrupt your life in numerous ways, from disturbing your schedule to raising your expenses. When you experience such problems, the best automobile service stations in Calgary can help you get back on the road as soon as possible. Without any further delay, let us show you the list of best automobile service stations in Calgary. Number 1 is Mike's Auto Service. As a great auto repair company in town with years of experience, they are ready to handle all your repair and maintenance needs. Mike's Auto Service includes diagnostics, using digital equipment to trace your car's problems, inspections, full checks to keep your vehicle street legal, scheduled maintenance, keep your new car running great and under warranty, lube, oil and filter, professional service for quick and easy oil changes. Number 2 is Meadows Auto Service. Their courteous and trained automotive technicians have all of the equipment, tools, and additional resources that they need to tackle all of your vehicle's service needs during one visit to our shop. So, if you need anything from a simple oil change to complex engine repair, the friendly staff at Meadows can help. Number 3 is Lakeview Automotive Service Center. Roush and Cobb Performance. They are well-known Ford and Subaru specialists, and extensive Ford and Subaru knowledge make Lakeview Automotive your ideal dealer alternative. Around town, they are known as the in-depth mechanic shop, meaning they like to dive deep and are able to complete any repair no matter how complicated. Number 4 is Speedy Apollo Auto Service Centers. They understand that your vehicle is a significant investment and one that you depend on to carry out your daily tasks. Their team of auto repair experts in Calgary never forces their approach on you. They devise tailor-made solutions that are specific to your model, budget, usage, and requirements. Number 5 is Wrenches Automotive. For a high-performing vehicle, trust Wrenches Automotive with your car, truck, or van. You will receive an in-depth explanation of what is required as well as an accurate estimate of the costs you can expect prior to any work being done. Once you have approved the service plan and estimate, they will get your vehicle's service underway and get you back on the road. Hopefully, you enjoyed our video about the best automobile service stations in Calgary. Please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.